Anymore. How's it? It's not there. No. I didn't even see any. I didn't even see it. Sorry. You call Chuck.
Call him over later.
Here. You love this.
What? Damn it. Fucking cold. I swear all of us are gonna die in here eventually from this shit. Cold. It'll kill us all. Fucking flu shot. Sick after that, and it's sick as a dog ever since. I don't give a shit if we all die. I don't give a shit if I die. I don't give a shit at all. It's gonna kill me, it's gonna kill me. Rather fucking kill me in this fucking life. Ugh. Pulling my nose every 5 seconds, coughing.